Haster, immersed in excellence, innovating comfort and safety in water heating solution, which is a professional water heater manufacturer. Stay warm anywhere with our portable immersion water heaters, perfect for camping, travel, and more. Variety, shape, and color for your choice. Kindly check user manual before operating. Never dry heating. The immersion heater must be fully immersed. Then plug and insert the thermometer metal part in middle of water. Never plug more than one heater on same outlet. Widely application: wash fruits, wash car, jacuzzi bath, hot drinking water, wash clothes, pets shower, and inflatable pool, which can be your good helper in life. Never touch the water while it is heating. Safe heating first.